Guys, my name is Charles Kings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $10,000 funded account that you can get and use to start trading in 2025 without you having to deposit any money. No deposit needed at all. Alright, so I'll be showing you how you can get it, where to get it, and how to start trading from it, and also the terms and conditions you have to apply in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit, and all you have to do is to watch this video to the very end and make sure that you go through the step-by-step processes that I will lead you and guide you through in this video. So without wasting too much of our time, let's dive into what we have here for today. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you click on the subscription button right now. And as you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. Here we usually drop money making updates and free profit account and free funded accounts that you can start to use to trade your account for free in 2025. So if you know that you are interested in making money online in 2025 and you are sure about it, all you have to do is to come and stay tuned here. The link to come to this place will be in the description of this video and also will be pinned in the comment section. So all you have to do is to click on the link, and once you click on the link, you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel, and all you have to do is to join. And once you join, you'll find a link like this there. So once you find the link, all you have to do is to click on the link, and it will take you back to where you are going to be getting the free $10,000 account. All right, so now once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this interface. Once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on free challenge. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. So once you get to this place also, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on free challenge. And as you can see, it will bring you to somewhere like this, and right here we have a free account. All right, we have a free account of $10,000. This is it right here. We can get it for free, and these are the terms and conditions that I will also be explaining, because in order for you to be able to withdraw, you have to understand what the terms and condition is. So let's start. Step 1, profit target is 7%. Step 2, profit target is 10%. Mass drawdown is 8%. Daily drawdown is 4%, and the reward split is 50%. So once you are done trading with this free $10,000 account, you are going to be getting the 50%. all right, so in order for you to get it now, watch me closely as I show you. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on free. As you can see right here, it is a free profit account for real. All right, and as you can see, the reason why they didn't bring out something for us is because of high traffic access. A lot of people have been trying to claim this account, and that is why the demand volume is high. All right, so in order for you to be able to get this account, what you have to do is for you to wait till October 15, which is very near. All right, so wait for it and come back to watch this video and watch it carefully, so it will bring out your details for you. So what is going to bring out for you is that you are going to have to fill in your name, your details, and once you're done filling in the right details, it's going to bring out your login credentials, and you can start trading with it. All right, so I want you to stay tuned till October 15, because I'll be dropping video on how you can start trading on this particular account. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and it is important that as soon as you are done watching this video, you go ahead and claim it, because I don't want you guys to miss on it. A lot of people have been trading on it, and I will send the screenshot into the group. Make sure you don't miss out on it. Stay tuned on my Telegram channel so that you will know about the withdrawals proof and all other things that you are supposed to know. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys.